on a different beat. The same position I sit in, I didn't lift my feet. Some bitch wanna kick it, I gotta hit the streets. If I didn't go get it, I guess we didn't eat. Back stressing, this dickhead just come evicted me. Back stretching this coke, sipping this Ricodine. I swear I only write tracks so people get to see that I ain't playing. All of these head fucks really get to me. I'm still waking up sweating, thinking she's next to me. I'm too scared to see friends, I know they think less of me. No harm, where the fuck would there be a rest for me? I keep on messing people up, why the fuck they keep letting me? Stripper bitches keep coming over on ketamine. Then I lay with them telling them how my head has been. But there's too many things I wish